Hello, my name is Josh Forrest, and today we'll be covering resetting context visibility in ISE. When there are problems with context visibility, you may see errors like this example where the context visibility page was unable to load. You may also see modules on your ISE dashboard are blank, missing, or that your live logs are empty. If you see errors like this, it may be worthwhile to reset context visibility from the CLI. To perform this process, you will need to access the terminal of your primary administration node on the left and your secondary administration node on the right, which are already logged in here. Once you are logged in, enter the command application configure ISE in the primary admin node. Repeat this step in the secondary admin node. Next, select option 20 in the primary admin node. Enter Y for the first prompt only, asking to remove all data and proceed. It is critical that you do not proceed with the second prompt in the primary admin node until the indexing engine has been reset on the secondary node. Once you see this prompt, navigate to the secondary admin node and enter option 20. Enter Y to proceed with removing all data from context visibility. Do not respond to the prompt asking if the primary admin node has been reset. In the primary admin node, enter Y in response to the secondary admin node being reset. Once this process completes in the primary admin node, you will automatically be taken back to the selection menu. Now in the secondary node, enter Y in response to the primary admin node being reset. Once this process completes in the secondary admin node, you will automatically be taken back to the selection menu. Enter 0 in the secondary admin node to exit this menu. Return to the primary admin node and enter option 21 to synchronize context visibility with the database. Enter Y to proceed. Once this completes, enter option 0 to leave this menu. Enter the command show application status ISE in both the terminals to ensure that your services came up properly. If you have any other questions with this process, please open a tag case for further assistance. Thank you for choosing Cisco.